Jen, I know on a daily basis I use my debit card. It's so convenient. I would think a lot of people that call you at the bank have questions about their debit card. So for the CNN customer with their Visa check card, what are some of the questions you receive?
The first and most important question we receive is, where is my card? I would say customers, I mean, that may sound silly, that does sound silly. Mm-hmm. Customers tend to move and forget to let us know that they have moved. And once every 3 years, your card is reissued, and so we mail that to you. So if you have moved and your address has changed, it's definitely in your best interest to let us know your address has changed, and that also will flow over into other programs that CNN uses to reach out to you.
But they don't have to panic if they can't find the card.
That's correct.
They just need to call you.
If they cannot find their card, if they've misplaced it, if they've lost it, unfortunately in some cases cards are taken. We can close those cards down for you, and we can either have you come into one of our local branches that offer what we call instant issue cards, where it takes about 15 minutes. If you come in, we can have a card created for you, and you can use that card that business day. If you are out of the area, there's no need to worry because we can actually still mail them. Those take about 7 to 10 business days. So if you do need to have an instant issue card created, most of our branches do currently make them. However, we do have a few that aren't. So I would recommend that you call ahead just to make sure that the branch can, and if not, we can get you in touch with one that can.